how you can build and structure a sales funnel and generate lots of leads for your business. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ivan Loparscu is back with you. Please, if you find this content valuable for you, hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget about the notification bell so YouTube will let you know the next time I'm gonna post some valuable content like this. In this video I'm going to explain you step by step how to create, apply, promote your funnel for your business. I will show everything that I done for a fitness influencer that is selling her products like private consultations and one-on-one training sessions. After watching this video you will understand everything how it works and you will be ready to apply it on a practice. What is a sales funnel? A funnel is a structure that you will bring your potential client to each step to convert it into a paying customer. Let's have a look. We got the simplest funnel that are built from 4 levels. This is awareness, interest, desire and actions. I'm going to explain how I created the product that we are selling and how I'm going to promote it based on this funnel. First product that I'm going to promote is gonna be the free 5-day fitness challenge for moms to get in a better shape. Why this product? Because the fitness influencer is a mom sitting at home with her baby and she's going to promote this fitness challenge that is going to be 5 days. This is going to be like a lead magnet. After the free product, we are going to sell the $10 consultation that will filter these leads further. Next product, that is the main product, is a training season for 4 weeks that costs $200. And after that, we are going to upsell, cross-sell with other products like ebooks, other programs, and so on. After you build the sales funnel that you know that you have to go through, you have to jump on building a landing page where you're going to drive your traffic and track everything on that landing page. First, we need a domain name. I'm going to use the Namecheap. Why I chose Namecheap? Because we have lots of features that I can implement absolutely for free. I'm going to show you later on. So after buying your domain name, you're going to go inside and buy your hosting. I already bought mine. Like when you go to checkout, you'll add WordPress hosting. And I recommend you adding the annual one, not the monthly. It's going to cost you around $50 for a year. You will get the WordPress hosting. We are going to look at the website and to see how I built it. So here is the easy VP that works together with the Namecheap. They use the same password and just click VP admin and you're going inside here. What I recommend you here, don't overcomplicate things. Just go on the plugins. And here you have to install a couple of them. I will explain you later on why you need this. This is the VP code. This is going to help you install the tracking on your website. After that, you go to on appearance and themes. And what you have to pick from there. If your business is like the one that I'm showing right here, you have to pick something that has a form inside. I picked this one and click customize. Allow you a couple of minutes, 31 hour minimum, to go through and understand all the buttons, how they works and everything like that. And after that, have a structure. Like I haven't changed anything from this template. I just deleted a couple of blocks and that's it. Don't overcomplicate. You have to implement this very fast. So the website is in Russian language. Here we have the headline, like it's a very simple, but after submitting our details, we're going to arrive at this page where we are already tracking the customer's information with the Facebook pixel. I'm going to explain this in a minute. We see there we already got the lead. But here is the thing that we already got the customer email that we can work later on. For the customer to continue the registration, it have to go to the Telegram where is going to be this 5-day challenge. Here's the plugin that I showed you. You have to install because you are going to use with installing the Facebook pixel here. This is the place where you're going to put your Facebook pixel. that we'll take from inside Facebook Pixel Manager. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download step-by-step process that you can implement straight into your project. Here I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook pixel and install it on your WordPress website. Just come on the All Tools on your Business Manager, and here click the Event Manager, and after that click the Connect Data Sources, and here you just click the web. I cannot click because I already have one per ad account. So you will have the option to create the Facebook pixel, and after that name the Facebook pixel and select the manual installation. They will give you a code and just copy that code, and that's it. And come here on the WordPress and come on a header and footer section and just place this code here, and your pixel has been installed. The next step is the marketing funnel. It's the same funnel that we discussed previously for the sale, but here is the way we're going to promote our product. If our product is $200, we cannot promote it straight to the cold audience because they will not buy it. They don't trust you. So on the first step, like on the awareness, we are going to create a campaign for cold traffic that will be optimized for landing page views. I recommend using 60% of your budget at this level, because here you're going to need to reach as many people as possible. In my case, I used a 10-20 daily budget and 2-3 creatives per campaign. This is the campaign budget optimization. You can see here, this is my first campaign for this project. We have 424 landing page views. Per landing page views, this is our cost, and we spent £76. From these 3 creatives, we already got 14 leads just at this level. That's amazing, because our goal wasn't generating leads, was to drive people to our page and to engage with our product. At the next step, I created an engagement campaign optimized for view content. It's the same is used for cold traffic. Make sure at this level you have to exclude the audiences that left already the leads on the first stage. Here I'm using 20-30% of the budget, and I'm using the same creatives that I used on the previous post. The first post already got some likes, some shares, and I'm using the same ones to get more results. Here is our second campaign that we already got 40 leads on this one, because here we already got the engagement at the post, and this is much better. We can see here we have 170 landing page views and we have 40 website leads at the cost of per lead $1.95. Here are the creative for this campaign. I recommend, if the frequency increases more than 1.7, just switch the creative. In my case, the creative wasn't bringing so good results and I switched it off. If the frequency increases more than 1.7, you have to change the creative, because the people will get bored with the same creative. And again, if you like the video, please click the like button down below so YouTube will recommend us to more people like you to share this piece of valuable content. Last level is the remarketing. You are going to generate leads through all the people that interacted with your ad, posts, page, videos, websites, doesn't matter, with any of your assets. Here is my retargeting campaign. If you can see, we got already 7 leads at the cost 1.48. The trick that I'm recommending, if you have just one creative, double it, and that's it. And after that you can come up with more ideas. And now the conclusion with all the results that I got for now, because the project is still active and we haven't run it to the end. We already have 50 people registered to the challenge in the Telegram group, and we have like more than 60 emails generated with a spend of £170. So I'm going to give you this document for free in the comment below. Just let's gain a couple of likes at my video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question to me, please post it down below and I'll be happy to answer it.